High in the mountains, where the world is still, the journey of water begins. A stream becomes a river, and then it falls. Over the edge it pours, free, wild, and unstoppable. A waterfall, timeless, powerful, soft and strong all at once. It carves its way through stone, not with force, but with patience. Century by century, the water reshapes the earth. It never fights, it simply flows. Mist rises from the base like breath from the lungs of the forest. Every drop sparkles in the sunlight, 1,000 tiny stars falling in daylight. Close your eyes, hear the rhythm, the pulse, the voice of the waterfall, steady and serene. Nature's lullaby, nature's roar. Birds sing above, trees sway gently. Everything moves, yet nothing rushes. The waterfall teaches us, let go, fall freely, and trust where the flow will take you. You don't have to climb the mountain to feel peace. Sometimes all you need is to listen to the water. Let the sound carry your thoughts away. Let the waterfall speak in silence. You are here, you are enough. Just breathe.